For a host of foreign entrepreneurs, the ongoing 6th Silk Road International Exposition in Xi'an gives them a window into the broad Chinese market. Representing a testimony of closer economic ties among Belt and Road countries, the expo has attracted participants from over 70 countries and regions, including Thailand, Ghana and Singapore.
We came here with our made in Ghana goods, drums, handicrafts, and then we use this platform to promote to the whole world. And this time around, we can see through this One Belt, One Road initiative, Ghana is able to have other investors, Chinese companies, to go to Ghana and do investment. Win-win partners. We think it's a very good opportunity.
그 1대1로를 진행을 하면서 저희가 연안 지역보다는 그래도 이제 중국 서부 지역에 이제 발전할 수 있는 그런 기대감이 더 있다고 생각을 하고 있습니다. 기술 기업들도 이제 많이 이제 참여를 할 수 있도록 이렇게 저희도 유도를 하고 있고 기업들도 기대감을 갖고 있습니다.
The Belt and Road Initiative, proposed by China in 2013, aims to build trade and infrastructure networks connecting Asia with Europe and beyond along the ancient Silk Road trade routes for common development and prosperity. Data from the Ministry of Commerce showed that from 2013 to 2021, the total volume of trade of goods between China and the Belt and Road countries was nearly $11 trillion, while two-way investment exceeded $230 billion.